Hi, I'm Trevor Graham. I'm here to speak on the behalf of a very important cause today. I have a dear friend, close woman to me, not just a regular woman, a motorcycle rider, or an advocate, but an awesome humanitarian, an awesome woman. She is the wife of Aaron Butler. Her name is Lonita Brown Butler. She's an awesome woman, and she has a goal and an objective. One of the purposes in her very existence is to help thousands of children in our community. One of the means by which she's going to do this is to focus primarily on children that are hard of hearing, children that are deaf, and other worthy causes. Please allow me to introduce you to this awesome woman. And I encourage you that all of you that are within the sound of my voice be able to take heed to the message that she's going to give you, as well as pay attention to this worthy cause. In the long run, it'll help you, me, our children, and our children's children. Ladies and gentlemen, Lonita Brown Butler.
Thank you, Trevor Graham. I appreciate you introducing me. Beautiful job. You guys, he is a barber for In the Cut. So again, thank you, Trevor Graham. My name is Lonita Brown Butler. I am one of the founders of Empowering Sounds of Movement. We have a nonprofit, which is a 501c3, and that is our organization. Our mission is to create and maintain a safe, nurturing environment in our group home that meets the specialized needs of youth and other at-risk children and their families as well. We also want to provide a culturally appropriate environment. Our goal is to meet between $50,000 to $100,000 for the sole purpose of providing a location to run our group home and for our deaf and hard of hearing youth. I will provide care for 6 children between the age groups of 6 and 12 years of age, and I am required to have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Also, we need the 3 times the amount of operating costs in order to run this home, which must be in our nonprofit banking account within a time frame before I submit my application. We are determined to not only provide services for our youth, but we want to also hire the proper staff who are fluent in American Sign Language. We will and we are going to raise this amount. And again, I hope that you will support our organization, and I am determined and I am very passionate for these youths, and I know you are too. Thank you and have a beautiful day.